how to block a user on Litmatch app. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can block someone on Litmatch. So the first step is to go ahead and log in into your Litmatch account, and then once you've done that, you will be brought to the home page where you will see a number of users. Okay, so once you can see all of this, the next step is to find the user that you want to block. All right, you can just locate the users. It could be amongst your friends, and if it's amongst your friends, go to the chat list and then find the user there. Or it could be on your own page. So once you found the user, just click on the user's page and then you'll be brought to the person's profile page. Once you're on the person's profile page, move to the top right corner where you can see horizontal lines, three horizontal dots, and then you'll see some options displayed at the bottom part of the screen, which includes share contact, edit alias, block, report. Just click on block and then wait for the page to load, and you see the person has been blocked, just like that. Okay, so you can do this for other users as well. So this is how you can block a user on Litmatch app. Thank you for watching and have a good day.